Go ahead, push your luck, find out how much love the world can hold. Once upon a time I had control and reined my soul in tight. Well, the whole truth, it's like the story of a wave unfurled. But I held the evil of the world, so I stopped the tide, froze it up from inside, and it felt like a winter machine that you go through, and then you catch your breath and winter starts again, and everyone else is spring-bound. And when I chose to live, there was no joy, it's just a line I crossed. I wasn't worth the pain my death would cost, so I was not lost or found. And if I was to sleep, I knew my family had more truth to tell. So I traveled down a whispering well to know myself through them. Well, growing up, my mom had a room full of books and hid away in there. My father raging down a spiral stair till he found someone, most days his son. And sometimes I think my father too was a refugee. I know they tried to keep their pain from me, they could not see what it was for. But now I'm sleeping fine. Sometimes the truth is like a second chance. I am the daughter of a great romance, and they are the children of the war. Well, the sun rose with so many colors it nearly broke my heart. The work me over like a work of art, and I was a part of all that. So go ahead, push your luck, say what it is you gotta say to me. We will push on into that mystery, and it'll push right back, and there